Hi there everyone, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and thank you for joining me for another tutorial today. We're going to be using our gel press along with some Brushos and our Elements ink pads. So we've got our cream multifarious card that we're going to be using as well. So we need our brayer to transfer the ink onto the gel press. And I'm going to be using Lime Punch, which is a really lovely, nice light lime green. So that's my base colour. I've got some Brushos here that I've mixed with water, and I'm going to start flicking those onto the gel press. So I want it to be an autumnal feel, so oranges and earthy colours. And all I'm doing is just tapping that straight onto the gel press. Give my brush a wash and then move on to the next colour. This is the brown. We're going to use just a touch of pink and then some green as well. Now try to remember to tap off first, tap a lot the ink off, and then you'll get nice tiny little speckles then, because if you go straight from the fairy cups onto the gel press and tap, you'll just get some quite big sort of splashes, which won't give you that organic feel on the card. I'll show you now. Let's see what we're going to get. So smooth over. And there it is. So you can see from that you've got some really, this is where the tiny speckles will be, and this is where obviously the bigger splashes are. So you can get different effects by the amount of ink that you put onto the card. It's trial and error really. There's no wrong or right way of doing it, you just get a different effect. Okay, I'm going to trim that down. So today we're going to be using our lovely owls. So I'm going to ink up in the Nocturne. I'm inking up the branch first. So let's just pop that down around about there. Give that a good press. And then let's ink up our owls. And we'll stamp one there. And we'll stamp one next to him. Side by side. And now I've got my moon mask, I'm going to pop that over the top, and this will really pull the owls out now by creating this moon. It acts like a focal point. I think we'll go with the Bermuda actually. It's quite a neutral colour, it's not too bright. And I'm just working my way around the edge. And there we go. So quick and easy way, and it's so effective. It really does draw your eye into the centre there. So we're going to add a few leaves now. The pound stamps are great for this sort of thing. So I'm going to ink it up in Shady Lane now. And I'm just going to pop a few leaves around like so. Let's use another one. In fact, we'll use the Twilight for this one. Take off first. And let's give it a little bit of colour actually. We've got some berries here. And I'm going to use Glamorous. Let's pop a few words on, or a verse. And I'm going to use the Twilight again. So ink up using the Twilight. I'm just going to go around the edge. And I've got some Posca pens here. Just going to pop a few of those around. And then a little bit of glitter. I think I'll go around the edge of the moon. Now if you haven't got a steady hand to go around the edge, then just do some tiny little dots all next to each other. And work your way around the moon that way. It's just as effective, but it's a lot easier to follow the line. And then maybe we'll go for the mermaid blue. And there it is. A nice, quick, easy card to achieve using the gel press to get that lovely background. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.